so we had to come back in. It was like 80 mile per wind out there. Almost blew me away.
80 mile per wind?
80 miles, 80 miles an hour wind. Really windy. We're gonna go back outside and go towards the back.
You have to talk.
So we're heading back. Watch this big pile. Ooh. It's much easier to walk this way because it's not as windy towards my face. But I do have to watch my step. It is extremely cold and windy out here. And as you can see, the snow, it moves, it shifts, and it makes bigger piles.
Rita, you're not a real news
Spots.
reporter, so just talk.
This is our backyard. I'll show you our backyard. This is high. It is extremely high and extremely cold. I'm 4'8", so I would say this is about, I'm thinking, about 2 feet.
Can you get that light on?
Really high. Oh my God, I'm cold. Sam, my feet are freezing.
Let's go back from the front. You gotta talk.
And that was the backyard. Now we're gonna go back towards the front. We have actually no traffic here. It's abnormal. It's not unusual. It's not usual. Oh my God!
My teeth hurt.